situation of Sony Meatballs outlet when I day. This is the first day of I-Day of 2022 or Monday 2 May or 1443 Hijriah.
A lot of car in the parking lot.
This outlet is located in the city of Bandarlampung, the most southern part city of Sumatra Island in Indonesia.
The meatballs are ready to eat now.
A lot of visitors coming.
Children and adults. All of them enjoying this type of food. Which has become so special during the time like this, as most of the people get bored with home food for I-Day.
This is an alternative food at this time.
Only meatballs left as all kind of drinks are gone.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and push the notification bell.
Also share.
Bye for now.
See you in the next video.